Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV Q80A. In this video I'll show you how to enable and manage Multiview. In the beginning, let's enter Multiview from the top bar. As you can see right now, my screen is divided to two screens, and now you can add new screen on the Multiview to the right screen. Firstly, let's select app or source. And the Multiview is set. To go back to Multiview menu, you have to press and hold return button. You can save your settings, and next time you'll go to Multiview, it will be automatically set to this window we've set right now, but let's select exit only. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.